to my YouTube channel. I'm Grandmaster Javed Khan. If this is the first time that you're here on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you get all my videos whenever we post a new one. And I try to post one every week. If you've been here before and you still haven't subscribed to my channel, why don't you go and hit that button right now and subscribe to it. So we can have all kinds of fun. You see all kinds of exciting videos, stuff that you can train with, something you can empower yourself with knowledge and make your martial arts journey even better and more exciting. All right? Thank you for being here one more time, and let's get back to training.